When your child turns 18, they are now a legal adult. And when they turn 18, there's now some laws that apply to them that are different from when they were a minor child. So I'll give you an example of something that actually happened in our office a couple years ago. We had some clients, we did their plan, and about 6 months later, they called me and they said, we need to talk to you because our daughter is in college. She's at UC Davis and she loves mountain biking. She went mountain biking with her friends. And we got a call from one of her friends that our daughter was in the hospital, that she had had an accident on her mountain bike. And so Mom lives here in Irvine. She calls the hospital and the hospital will not talk to her. Her daughter is a legal adult and there were no legal documents in place for the daughter. And so the doctor said, or the hospital said, we're not able to speak to you because we don't have anything in writing saying that we're allowed to give you information. So of course her parents were frantic and they were panicked. In the long run, everything ended up being okay, but that moment in time when her parents thought, we can't get the information we need about how serious her injury is. Does she need to have surgery? Of course, they wanted to find out what was going on, and they weren't able to get any information because daughter had not put in place any legal documents, because most of the time, young adults don't think about that. So now we do a lot of planning for young adults in this way so that typically it is their parents who will be able to speak to doctors, access medical records, make medical decisions for them, and if there was something unexpected happen, would also be able to make legal and financial decisions on their behalf. And we call it the Parent Sanity Kit because most parents think of their baby as their baby, even when they're 18 or older, even when they're in their 20s. And they do need to have that signed legal authority in place in order for mom and dad to be able to make legal decisions on their behalf. And typically what we're preparing is going to be a power of attorney for healthcare, a power of attorney for legal and financial decisions, as well as a medical release, so that mom and dad have the full comfort of knowing that if something unexpected happened to their over 18-year-old, that they would be able to step in and be able to make decisions and get the information that they need.